Yo, what's up, North Texas barbecue addicts? It's me, Kenneth, and in today's episode, I'm busting out my flat top cooker from Monument Grills. This little guy is awesome for cooking up something quick. We're going to be busting out some USDA prime ground beef from Six Brothers Beef Company, getting it all seasoned up, throwing it on the flat top cooker, and making some awesome cheeseburgers, guys. You're not going to want to miss it. Y'all stick around. Alright, y'all, so we've got our USDA Prime burger patties from Six Brothers. They came already burger pattied up, which is awesome. We're going to get them onto our flat top. This is my Monument Grill flat top. Good old-fashioned cheeseburger never hurt anybody. This is perfect space for cooking at home. Look at that. There we go. Flatten them out a little. We can go ahead and season this top side. We're going to be using some Tailgater's barbecue rub, the party rub. It's an all-purpose rub. It's got some salt, black pepper, garlic, onion, Worcestershire powder, molasses, corn syrup, all kinds of good stuff. Garlic powder, sugar, really good stuff. Check that out. I'll have the information down below in the description box. Let's go ahead and put some of that on this side here. It's already smelling real good. Now let's check one of these burgers and see where we're at. Oh yeah, check that out. Gotta love a flat top burger. Already getting good crust on there. Comment down below, what do you like on your burger? We are on about a 3/4 heat level. The best part about this flat top is after we get done cooking these burgers, we're going to toast our buns up in that good burger juice. Now that we flip them, add a little bit more of the Tailgater's party rub. Let me know what y'all want to see me cook on this flat top. I've done shrimp already, steak, all kinds of goodies. What else? We did some beef and broccoli. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes on this side. We're going to give them one more flip. You gotta love the smell of ground beef on a flat top, guys. Probably got about 5 minutes to go on these burgers, give or take. We're going to add our next ingredients here. Before we do, I'm going to put a little bit more of our rub on there. Make sure we don't lose any flavor. You don't have to worry about this one. It's not spicy or anything. It's got some good flavor. Alright, so I already did slice up some onions and jalapenos. Put some of those on each burger. You can do whatever you want with it. I did turn the flat top up to a high to finish these off. There we go. Put our onions on there. Man, that's smelling good. We're going to leave one with nothing because somebody in the house doesn't want anything on their burger. Get our jalapenos in there. Dang, that's smelling good, y'all. Alright, guys. What I'm going to do to get this cheese melting up is we're just going to put a pan over it. Just for a couple minutes. Brioche buns here. Alright, guys. We got our buns toasty. I like to toast both sides of the bun. Get that flavor. It's all about the flavor, honestly. Get that flavor from our burgers on there. We're going to top our cheeseburgers off with a little bit more rub. Y'all are going to want to try this out. If y'all can smell this right now, we got some Doritos, some pickles, some cheeseburgers. All right, enough talk. Let's get us one of these bad boys off here. Which one's screaming my name? Let's go with this guy. Put that right there. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Cheese is melted perfect. I'm going to go on with some mustard. Lots of it. There we go. Now we'll top it off. Man, check that out. Let's give it a try, y'all. Check that out. Beautiful burger. Got Doritos, dill pickles, our cheeseburger. Look at that melted cheese. Beautiful. Let's give it a try. Beautiful, beautiful cheeseburger. Got my dill pickles on the side. Doritos. This is a classic combo for a cheeseburger. Look at that. Beautiful. Cheers, y'all. Let's give it a try. Man. A flat top burger is uncomparable when it comes to flavor. You got that awesome crust. Our bun's nicely toasted in that burger juice. The onions, the jalapenos, the mustard, the cheese. And then, if you haven't made burgers with USDA prime meat, it's just next level. Look at that. Beautiful. Man. That's a wrap. Dorito. Dill pickle. The ultimate bite. I'm probably going to end up smashing on 2 of these. That's all we did today, guys. Made some really good cheeseburgers. Y'all get out there and make you some burgers. Appreciate y'all stopping by. And until next time, peace! Y'all keep on barbecuing. Or grilling burgers. Later, y'all.